my vlog in here in Awada Mall. See ya. We have CG meeting today. That's why I am coming here to in extension and food court extension. But I need to buy something here. That's why I'll pass by here before I going to our meeting. Need to pass by here. Anyway guys, here Awada Mall for our this is the Trumbo Park. Kahit sa playtime, wanasa. Ay, the bathroom is under maintenance. No. I need to Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, subscribe, don't forget to share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.